Point insert in Left 4 Dead 2. I'm going to do another complete playthrough of this map. I've just finished building the navigation mesh for the first time, so I have no idea how well it's going to work. Let me just switch off this. Okay. Now let's go. I'm on advanced mode as usual. Well, medkit.
I'll hold on to this first aid kit.
Yep. Ah, melee weapon. Let's get rid of these guys. Oop. There you go, coach.
Reloading.
As you can see, I've changed the way the this anomaly works. They used to wander around the screen in the old engine, but I've changed it to several fixed points this time. I thought it would help out with the problem of the glow effect looking a bit strange from certain angles, but it didn't work. The other sprites in the other areas of the map seem okay though. This is the new water effect here. Took a little while to get right, but it worked out in the end. I might use the axe, I keep forgetting. Of course there are tons of crowbars everywhere. The new water looks very nice. As you can see right through it now, much better than you could before. And now I've got this nice blue effect underneath. It's basically a mixture of Valve created shaders, water shaders. I was just playing around with them. Are they going to climb up? Yep, lovely. Go away, boomer. These anomalies now, in the old version, they would actually cause a panic event. But in this one, they would just damage you by like 1 or 2 health a second. Something very token. I think the laser beam effect is a little too bright still, so I'll fix that later. Doing alright so far. Keep forgetting about the melee weapons.
I'm reloading.
Okay, not so bad. You can see the instructor hints back on there. That's because I've added some to this all the maps. In replacement of the sprites I had before, the semi-invisible sprites. I've also added a whole bunch of super weapons to throughout the maps in slightly out of the way places, just to give the players a reason to go in other places. Let me see if it's here. Nope, no grenade launcher. It should actually be visible from down the bottom there. That's going to be a nice ambush point down there. I just rewrote this a little bit here. It was sticking out before. It's flat now. The navigation mesh was very tight just up there, and I just I thought perhaps the bots and the AI might not be too happy about it, so I've just
Reloading.
changed it.
Boomer!
I've added some planks up to the top of these bits here, so the AI can, or the infected can just move around on top of the crates up here. Ooh. Yucky.
Ammo here. Heads up! Reload!
I think I should have picked a quieter weapon. They're very, very loud.
Everything I can.
Let's jump in here. In this version of the engine, you can't actually swim like you could in the last one. In the last one, you could actually swim up and down a bit. But in this one, you can't at all. You're just stuck apparently to the bottom of whatever surface you're on. Still can't see.
Healing. Alright, now I'm back.
No, it should actually come on as soon as I get on here. Oh, no, it hasn't. Oh, there we go. Ready. And this version of the engine too, oh, they're sunken into the ground there. But they're not walking. If you saw the other, if you played it on the previous engine, you would have seen them actually moonwalking backwards up here. That was a little bit more realistic, I think.
Listen up, witch.
Ah, that witch shouldn't be that colour. I mentioned in the previous episodes that I thought the...
Watch out, the witch is getting angry.
That I thought the... Oh, great. That I thought the grenade launcher shouldn't have 30 rounds. I still don't know if it should or not, but I know the witch definitely shouldn't blow like that. I have actually got a couple of
Reloading!
mods, server-side mods installed, or running. So that could explain some of the problems I was talking about. Let's go down into the sewers.
A hunter's around.
Another new water shader for the sewer. In the last engine, I think every single water texture was the same. Well, I know every water texture was the same. I should... Let's go under. Nice and murky.
Weapons over here. What?
Not much to say at the moment. Just the same old sewer.
I hear Hunter around.
There's another super weapon behind the gates down here. Behind the gates is where you come out when you go into the suit
Reloading.
chamber. If you want to change the final map from the core to Zen. Now where are they going? Oh, they're running around the edges there. I've actually restricted the melee weapons quite a lot. They make,
Reloading.
I think they make them games slightly easier than it should be.
We got two.
So rather than have melee weapons all over the place, they are slightly restricted.
Pills here.
We might need
You?
these.
Chest
And
paddles
you?
here.
No tank? No, no tank. Some of the Counter-Strike weapons. But these are spawned individually. They're not out of a weapon spawner.
We got a hunter.
So there shouldn't be any problems no matter what version of the engine you're, what version of the game you're running.
Reloading. Throwing a Molotov. Grabbing pills. Throwing a Molotov. Reloading.
Another witch. Lovely. Yes.
Grabbing pills. I'm gonna whack the shit out of some with this.
Reloading.
Okay. Good for you, Nick. Oh, charger.
That hit the
Let's do some pills.
Reloading.
Little pick me up. That's good.
Yep, they should be green, should they? Huh.
Reloading.
They won't show up on other people's games, it's just on my installation. Now you can see these sprites here. They're
Hold on to these
not
pills.
looking weird or anything. So it's a little strange that the other ones near the beginning are sort of wobbling around. Still not sure what causes that.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Reloading here.
Right, there we go.
Healing.
Let's take this just to be extra sure. Missed it. The environment looks very nice. Everything's looking as good as or better than it
Spinner.
was.
Fire stick coming.
Reloading.
It's mostly about balance changes, seeing how the new items alter the gameplay, and doing some tweaks here and there. This means we're going to the core. If it's the other one, it means we're going to Zen. Which of course is changeable in the suit down here.
Reloading. Nice shot, coach.
We're out of luck. We can't get into Gordon's extra stash.
I'm grabbing pills.
Hey, we might need these.
Can get everything else though.
Ammo here.
Reloading.
I'm a
Why
reload.
did we open that? I wonder. That's a rescue closet. There's 3 of them.
Reloading.
Good to go.
Where did you get that laser sight? I didn't notice an upgrade box around anywhere. I must
Yeah, somebody's gonna need these.
have missed it. That was pretty easy. Just witches, no tanks.
Hunter! We got a boomer!
Oh, it's a boomer. I thought it was a tank there. But, oh, there is a tank. Just as I say there's no tanks, there's a tank. Now don't go towards the tank, go away from the tank.
We don't have time for this. Get up!
Thanks, I owe you one.
Ain't no shame in getting some help.
Ever seemed like a good idea?
And that's it. Not too many tweaks needed. I think except perhaps to the way the items spawn. I haven't actually set that properly yet. There are 2 entities which allow you to set the frequency of various items in the map.
This is some grim
I think I'll probably turn that down a little bit or something. But that will do for now. Goodbye.